This is the one tool every student needs.
Look, I didn't even know this existed until Deeper Connect reached out to me, asking to promote what has become one of the most interesting pieces of tech I've ever used. And while this isn't a review of it, I've used it enough to share 6 reasons why you may need to try the Deeper Network Air as well. This is a physical device that keeps you safe online, opens up any content around the world, and can even save you money too. All that packed into a size that you may already be familiar holding, and that leads to the first reason simply being how easy this is to use. Utilizing just a USB-C port on one end with 2 fold-out antennas, it looks like a tiny Wi-Fi router, which is important. This actually allows other devices you own to also stay protected with just one connection. What I call their command center offers all the tools you need to get up and running as well. Ad blockers, trackers, and smart traffic routing ready to go instantly. Speaking of which, the second reason, being able to connect to almost anywhere in the world. But the real selling point, you're able to let the Air adapter decide what country your traffic will travel through. But the real selling point is still being able to pick and choose yourself which specific services that you may want to think you're still at home, while still being able to have other services think you're halfway around the world. Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, they've already got dedicated options built in for them all. Next up though, with how much research, aka procrastinating, you're going to be doing, you want to make sure you're safe when visiting your favorite post-midnight websites. And the beauty of this ad tracker and virus blocker is that anyone connected to this device gets the same benefits. No more ads on your MacBook, but also your iPad while watching videos, and even on your mobile phone too. So you almost get all the same benefits no matter where you're procrastinating from. Then this is the reason that really convinced me. It's a decentralized network, basically meaning your data doesn't always go to the same place. So there's no easy way of any one person or company tracking or blocking it in any way, as every user that owns and uses one is a new network to connect to. In theory, allowing this network of computers to grow bigger and better every time someone joins in. Then the fifth reason, we all know what you're actually doing instead of writing that 12-page essay on penguins mating. Thankfully, their parental controls also double as the perfect productivity booster too, while still leaving you with the ability to focus and only read the boring stuff for the next few hours. Finally, last but not least, the device pays for itself with no monthly cost to essentially have a lifetime VPN service and stay safe online. Plus, you can actually also save on other services too, like NBA Pass, where they may charge less somewhere else. So if you're interested in an all-in-one online tool, links in the description down below.